Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to renew an expiration item. So when you are in the dashboard here and you click on expiration items, okay, here are all your expiration items and the expiration date show up in here. If you wanted to renew something, there's also the expiration date here. You just click here and click on renew. So in this screen then you can choose what is the new expiration date for this item, okay, put any note or upload any file. After that, you just click OK, and that's it. The system will renew it. And any notifications that were going out, they will stop automatically, and they will be rescheduled for the next cycle, also to be sent automatically, okay, once you do the renewal. The other option is just clicking on, if you just click on the expiration item here, you can see here the expiration date, and you can just edit it here too. Choose the calendar, choose the new expiration date, and then you can also renew it that way. If you click on view record and you're actually seeing the record here, same idea, you can just click on the expiration date here, choose the new one and click save. That will also work for updating the expiration date, okay? And also anywhere in the system that you see the expiration items card, so like for example here I can see the record information for Ebot. He's an employee, and he has all of these expiration dates, like all of these items in his profile. If I wanted to update the expiration date on any of those, just click here and again, just choose the expiration date. It's that simple. And if you are also looking at a record, like here I'm looking at the contact, Abbott, again, he's an employee. If I click on here, same idea, click on the expiration date and enter it. So it's very simple, just changing the date. It will trigger that renewal process automatically. So different options, different ways. You will find this card everywhere in the system. So every time you click on any of these items, it's going to show up for the renewal. Thanks. Remember that we keep releasing videos, so feel free to subscribe to see any new videos that come out. Thanks.